Imagine two people facing the exact same problem. One person becomes angry, blames everyone around them, and makes impulsive decisions. The other stays calm, thinks carefully, and finds a solution. What makes them so different? It isn't always intelligence, education, or experience. The real difference is emotional intelligence. In today's world, emotional intelligence is one of the most valuable skills a person can develop because it influences how we think, communicate, make decisions, and build relationships. Emotional intelligence, often called EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and express your own emotions while also understanding the emotions of other people. It is not about suppressing your feelings or pretending that everything is fine. Instead, it is about responding to situations in a thoughtful and balanced way, rather than reacting impulsively. A person with high emotional intelligence understands that emotions are powerful, but they should not control every decision. One of the most important parts of emotional intelligence is self awareness. This means understanding what you are feeling and why you are feeling it. Many people become angry, anxious, or frustrated without stopping to think about the real reason behind those emotions. Emotionally intelligent people regularly reflect on their thoughts and feelings. They recognize their strengths and weaknesses and are honest with themselves. This self awareness helps them make wiser decisions and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Another essential part of emotional intelligence is self control. Every person experiences negative emotions such as anger, disappointment, fear, or stress. However, emotionally intelligent people know how to manage these emotions instead of allowing them to control their actions. They pause before speaking, think before reacting, and choose solutions instead of arguments. They understand that one moment of uncontrolled emotions can damage relationships, careers, and opportunities that took years to build. Emotional intelligence also includes empathy, which is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Instead of judging people quickly, emotionally intelligent individuals try to understand what someone else may be experiencing. They listen carefully, show compassion, and treat others with kindness and respect. This ability allows them to build stronger friendships, healthier relationships, and more successful careers because people naturally trust those who make them feel understood. Another characteristic of emotionally intelligent people is their ability to communicate effectively. They know that communication is not only about speaking, but also about listening. They express their opinions respectfully, even during disagreements, and they are willing to accept constructive criticism without becoming defensive. They understand that healthy communication solves problems, while emotional reactions often create bigger ones. The good news is that emotional intelligence is not something people are simply born with. It is a skill that anyone can develop through practice and self reflection. By becoming more aware of your emotions, learning to manage stress, listening with empathy, and responding thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively, you can gradually strengthen your emotional intelligence. Like any other skill, it improves with consistent effort and patience. People with high emotional intelligence often experience stronger relationships, better mental well being, and greater success in both their personal and professional lives. They handle pressure more effectively, recover from setbacks more quickly, and make decisions based on wisdom rather than temporary emotions. They understand that true strength is not shown by controlling others, but by controlling themselves.